Hey buddy, Sam back once again, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can network unlock, carrier unlock, SIM unlock, yeah, all the same thing, your brand new iPhone 15 Pro to any network in the world. You want to know how to do it? Okay, let's jump straight into it. So the first thing you are going to require is what is called the IMEI number. Now that's the number specifically to your device. Now there are two ways to get this. The first way is on the bottom of your box. So have a look at the box that the phone came in. On the back of it at the bottom it'll have IMEI and IMEI 2. You need the first one, the IMEI. The second way to do it is actually on the phone itself. So if you've put your box away or you've thrown it away like some people do, don't worry, we can get it straight from the phone. And on the phone, all we need to do is go to the dialer and you want to be typing *#06#. For our North American friends, that's probably going to be *#06#. So once you've tapped that, you'll get this. This is your device info. You get EID, don't need that, IMEI and IMEI 2. The one you need is the middle one. So ignore the second one, it's the middle one you're going to require. So pop your phone to one side or write the number down, because we're going to need that in a moment or two when we go to unlockingcompany.com to request our unlock. Okay, so I'll see you over there and I'll be right back. Alright, so welcome to the website, which is the unlockingcompany.com. Very straightforward on here. You want to be clicking your manufacturer. So obviously we're doing an iPhone today, we want to be clicking Apple. But if you've got other devices you want to unlock, then there is a multitude of them as well. So let's say you want to do your old Nokia, happy days. So for today's video, Apple. And then we're selecting the model. So as you know, we're doing an iPhone 15 Pro. But let's say you got an iPhone 12, 7, and they're all locked. Doesn't matter, you can do them on here as well. But for today's video, we are doing an iPhone 15 Pro. You then want to click on Unlock Phone. It then takes you to this section here, which tells you the phone. Tells you obviously on the right hand side with regards to the currency and stuff like that. So this is the main important thing, okay? This is the part that you don't want to mess up. In the country, you want to click the country where the device was purchased from originally. So let's say you bought the device in America and you've gone home, you want to click United States. If you've purchased it in Australia, then make sure you click Australia, an example, and go on like that. So for today's purpose, let's just say it was purchased in the United States, okay? And let's then say it was purchased on, let's do AT&T because it's the top one. So as an example, you bought this device in America and on AT&T, and let's say it's locked to them and you want to get it unlocked. What it will do on here is it will show you the price and a delivery time. So they can change, so it can be higher, could be lower, but it will tell you the point of order here, how much it's going to cost you. And you see this part, this is the most important part we did at the beginning, the IMEI number. So that number we got earlier, so you either wrote it down or you're looking at your phone right now, you want to pop that number into here. So as an example, let's just use this number here. And then you want to click Add to Cart. When you've clicked Add to Cart, what you will do is you get like a little blue banner at the top that you can see just there, and it says iPhone 15 Pro has been added to your cart. And then you want to click on View Cart at the top right hand corner. So click on that little bad boy, and here is your cart. So again, just to verify it, iPhone 15 Pro, we're saying it's purchased in America on AT&T, tells you the price of how much it will cost and also the delivery time. And again, just double check your IMEI number again, don't harm. At this point, if you want to use a different currency or you want to see what it's going to cost you in your currency, you can again swap it here. But again, for the purpose of today's video, we're just going to carry on using the USD for $27.99 on there. Anyway, click on Proceed to Checkout. And then this is the final part. So it's just pretty much banging your details in. So put your name, your last name, and make sure you use an email address that's you use. Don't use one that you think, oh, maybe I'll use it again. Use your most recent email address. I can't stress that enough. And on the right hand side, tells you all that stuff again with regards to your order. Obviously, make sure you tell them you're not a robot, because hopefully you're not. Scroll down a little bit, and it's where you put your card details in. So your long card number, etc. You know what to do. And then click Place Order. All right. So once you've done that, you should receive an email from them, in this case here, between 1 and 72 hours, and it'll tell you how to proceed next. But the good thing is my video is going to tell you how to do that as well. So let's go back to the phone and we'll show you what you have to do. Okay, see you back at the phone. Alright, so welcome back from the unlockingcompany.com. This is the easiest part of all of it. You should receive your email from them now. and it tells you how to follow this process. So if it's an eSIM, it should just be pretty much unlocked. Probably turn the phone off, turn it back on, job done. If you've got a SIM card inside your phone, what you need to do is take out the existing carrier SIM card and put in the new carrier SIM card. So as an example, let's say you're in America and you're on AT&T, and let's just say it was locked to AT&T and you wanted to put a T-Mobile SIM card in there. Take out the AT&T, put in the T-Mobile, boom, job done, and away you go. Now, if it comes up saying it's not fully unlocked, easiest way to just kind of speed it up a little bit is, if you're on a PC, hook the phone up to and let's say on a Windows device, open iTunes, make sure it's updated, job done, should be good for you. If you're on a Mac, exactly the same thing, but open up Finder, it'll do the little update, and boom, you should be rocking and rolling on any network in the world. So even though you're going to put, let's say, your T-Mobile SIM card in there, you could put in any SIM cards. Let's say if you go to the UK, you could put an EE SIM card in there, put a 3 SIM card in there. Go to the Philippines, you might want to put Smart. You're going to go to Germany, you could put T-Mobile. Any network in the world, your phone can now access. It is that straightforward. So just to write down for you again really quickly, you're going to get your IMEI, you're going to go to lockingcompany.com, obviously follow my video and the email instructions, job done, unlock successful. Honestly, it is that easy. If you have any questions with regards to this or anything else you know what to do by now, you can hit me, put a comment down below. Don't forget to smash the like button, go on, smash, it is very much appreciated. And go on, subscribe. Why? Because it's free. Honestly, it doesn't cost you a penny, a nickel or a dime. Anyway, people, once again, I want to say thanks for watching, and you'll see me. Well, if you don't see me, you'll definitely hear me, and you'll see these puppies in my next video. Cheers, everyone.